It wasn't boring just looking at papers and reading through everything. It was the real live interaction that I know we're going to take back as leaders.
The number one skill that I would like to see most leaders have at a base level is the ability to provide clarity. If you look at lots of research, it'll tell you that clarity is job number one. And all of you know, as leaders or dealing with leaders, that your ability to build alignment amongst your folks and building commitment to a particular way of going about things or particular outcomes is a critical skill. Can you build teams and can you help manage teams in a way that they become self-sufficient and not reliant on the leader for every decision? One of the great things that leaders should be able to do is help their people come to grips with change, champion that change, and help bring about change.
So am I having a great time doing it? Absolutely, because A, it's fun, but B, you're also, you are learning new things that you can take back to the office and take back to the workplace and implement.